Hey, all you DIY YouTubers. People probably why I spend so much time crawling underneath my truck and pulling the wheels off of it. And look on the ground here. This is one of the reasons why. Sorry for the bad filming, but rear driver's side emergency brake cable. Now, it was still working, but I could tell that it had been somehow pinched and smashed over time, and it's getting ready to break. And sure enough, while I was removing it, it broke off. So, you know what, go get one for 23 bucks. I think this one is Brake Best or something like that. I got it from O'Reilly's. And about the best way to remove it is to just cut the old one off and get the tension off of it. I'll get you some light in here. And thread the new one in. Start up front, get that part threaded in first, and then you can wrestle the tension back here. This particular model, this is an 04 Dodge Dakota. You just slip it in, slip the cable in through the little notch there on that little stub bracket, and then it hooks into the little stanchion that sticks out from the brake hub. And that's really all there is to it. But it's stuff like this, when you get ready to go for a state inspection, inevitably you're going to have 10 other things to do, and it's not going to pass. You've got to have it. And you know, you got to stop everything you're doing and go get the cable, install it, and then run it back to the inspection station. I like to avoid that stuff. I am a maintenance monkey, and I like to just stay on top of things, you know, just avoid that wasting of time and expenditures. So anyway, I just thought I'd share this with you, and keep wrenching. All right, take care. Later.